Hello. Today we can record about the cat in my camp. He's a cat in my camp. Don't scare him. Okay, brother, here. Bring them to my mom right now. Right now. Okay, I will go Ipa since you are not listening.
The cat is gone now.
What?
The cat is gone now.
Why? Enjoy. Where's the cat? Oh, there is the cat. What is the cat doing? What is he doing? Come on. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Where he go? Oh, he just at this camp day. Where's he going? Oh, there. Wait, there, the bicycle. Oh my God. Something crying. This one too foggy. Come on, let's go. Okay, good. Come on. It's like fog right there. Come on, let's go. It's too foggy in here. Oh, I can't see you. Come on. Baby. Sophia, look, kitty. Right there.
Oh no, she's going to take the water.
Okay. Kitty, come on.
Don't go in the water. Are you going?
Oh, there's some guy fishing. But I like to fishing. Oh my God. Too foggy. Oh, look at by the morning. Look at by the morning, bro. Look at.
No. Yeah. Where are you running? No. Don't get so weak. No. Sunny time. Okay?
Come here.
Don't follow her, okay? You're like. She's small, right? Small, right, guys? That's your. Oh, why is she making this? Oh, I found one.
What's this cat doing? Oh, cat jumping. Okay, this cat right there. Let's go see something. Oh my. There's people behind this cat. Right now. Yeah, so look right there. Okay, goodbye. Cat's hungry.